So good evening, it's a midweek car show, Oakley, Bedfordshire today, classic car show. These are every once a month on the second Tuesday, which is today. So just got here, it's not particularly good weather, it's going to rain I think in a minute. But yeah, and it's well down on numbers. Normally you get a couple of hundred cars, 300 plus at this one. So anyway, we'll take a look round and see who's here.
Yeah, there is, I was saying to you about the very things, because of course I've started using.
Your headlights are on.
Yeah. I went on the basis of keep driving. Come on. As soon as you stop, it falls off. And you think, where's the logic in? But as I say, you can drive it like a maniac. Over rough roads. Nothing happens.
Raining again.
Stopped raining yet?
Yeah, almost. It's better. What you need to, before you put shite on YouTube, is to get all people's permission on the film.
Well, as predicted, it has actually started to rain within a few minutes of getting here, but Ken is turned up in the Caterham with his full waterproof gear, so everything's good. It'll just be a passing shower, but umbrellas for sale, umbrellas for sale.
Caterham for sale.
Yeah.
Here, all the way there. I put it up in my other car. The whole lot, yeah, it's not this. €100 delivered.
He said, oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, so I've got that and I've got the rear light. The rear light makes €60.
It's like when you come to this thing.
So bad that you.
That much at the back and that much at the front.
Yeah.
No, you told me you'd be
Yeah,
busy on
yeah.
the green task 400 week. Width could be just.
And
Okay, hang on a minute, Paul. So
I mean, that is scary.
I think they'll do it fairly quickly, won't they? Yeah.
Yeah, well,
I do like.
This Scooby is currently for sale. It's a well-known local car. It's actually quite a nice 2003 STI UK PPP. So if anybody's interested, give this guy a ring. It's Lee's car. Can recommend it. Owned by Lee, whose dad is Lawrence, who's here driven it today. Lawrence is actually the guy that did the work on our Subaru, so very nice chap. 350 brake horsepower, about 80 odd thousand miles, so yeah, give him a ring.
Transit trailer. Picked up a SAF rolling shell. Yeah, because that's rolling shell, wasn't it? Well, yeah. Going back to the one. Bragging about how. £40 I said, well, I'll have them anyway. And then he brings them up. This is on the SAF. I've got some radar. And I've got one and I've got one. The local ones have got proper fans in the
It smells very hot. Is it all right?
Oh dear. Never mind. Ah, nice. Old school Lotus. So that's it, a quick look round Oakley. It's been a good evening actually, better turnout than I thought. Obviously the weather's a bit mixed, but a few more people have turned up, so yeah, hope you enjoyed that. Catch you on the next one, bye.